Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The tense. Do you know what tense means? Tense means time. There are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Look and study carefully the three groups of sentences. I go there daily. I went there daily. I shall go there daily. My father is here today. My father was here yesterday. My father will be here tomorrow. The sun shines brightly. The sun shone brightly yesterday. The sun will shine brightly tomorrow. Group A. The verbs go, is, shines denote the action which is done in the present time. These verbs are said to be in the present tense. Group B. The verbs went, was, and shone denote the action which was done in the past time. These verbs are said to be in the past tense. Group C. The verbs shall go, will be, will shine denote an action which will be done in future time. These verbs are said to be in the future tense. We will study some more examples of the three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. I love, I loved, I shall love. We work, we worked. We shall work. You play, you played. You will play. They talk, they talked. They will talk. These sentences tell you something more about verbs. The verbs in the sentences you read just now form their past tense by adding d or ed to the present tense. Love, loved, walk, walked. The verbs form their future tense by placing shall or will before the verb. I shall love. You will play. Remember, when I or we is the subject, we form the future tense of the verb by placing shall before it. Now study some more examples of the three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. I spent, I spent. I shall spend. We smell, we smelt. We shall smell. You lose, you lost. You will lose. They learn, they learned. They will learn. Important. These verbs form their past tense by adding t to the present tense. Repeat them and learn them. There are some verbs that have the same form both in the present tense and the past tense. I beat, I beat, I shall beat. We read, we read, we shall read. They cut, they cut. They will cut, and so on. Study some more tenses. You will notice that they change in a different way. I break, I broke. I shall break. I buy, I bought. I shall buy. We bite, we bit. We shall bite. They eat, they ate. They will eat. You drink, you drank. You will drink. And so on.
Give the past tense of these verbs. Make, made, build, built, drive, drove, sleep, slept, ring, rang, forget, forgot, hide, hid, meet, met, catch, caught, buy, bought. Give the future tense of these verbs. We run, we shall run, we smile, we shall smile. He rises, he will rise. I buy, I shall buy. We hide, we shall hide. You smell, you will smell. She learns, she will learn. They ring, they will ring. He sells, he will sell. We eat, we shall eat.
Simple present tense and present continuous tense. Look at the pictures and read the sentences below them. Mary dances every day. Tom usually wakes up every day at about 6 o'clock. The sun always rises in the east. Bats generally fly at night. Note, in these sentences, the verbs dances, wakes up, rises and fly express an action that is done regularly. They are said to be in the simple present tense. Learn. The simple present tense is generally used for an action that is done regularly, perhaps every day. It is often used with such words as usually, generally, sometimes, always, every day, etc. Now read these new sentences. The teacher is writing on the blackboard now. The birds are building their nests on the tree. The children are playing in the park. Mary is sweeping the floor. The verbs is sweeping, is writing, are building, are playing in the sentences show that an action is going on at the moment. They are said to be in the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for an action that is still going on or continuing.
Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. My mother dashed to her office daily. Walks. She dashed there now. Is walking. The gardener dashed down a tree. Cuts. He dashed it down now. Is cutting. Ajay dashed milk every day. Drinks. He dashed it now. Is drinking. The book dashed in a corner. Lies. It dashed there now. Is lying. Birds dash nests. Build. They dash nest now. Are building. Akshay dashed the ball with his bat. He dashed the ball with his bat now. Is eating. Honeybees dash honey from flowers. Collect. They dash honey now. Are collecting. Father dashed newspaper. Reads. He dashed the newspaper. Is reading. Children dash do their work. Dash their homework. Do their homework. They dash their homework now or doing. Mother dash dinner at 7 p.m. Cooks. She dash it now. Is cooking. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.